To send money using Zelle on TD Bank, start by opening the TD app on your mobile device and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home screen, where you'll need to tap on the Zelle option, usually located at the top of the screen. This will provide you with 3 options: send money, request money, or split money. Since you want to send money, tap on the Send option. Next, tap on Access Contacts and choose a recipient from your existing contacts or add a new one by selecting New Contact and then Add from Device. Choose the contact you want to add, such as a phone number or email address, and tap Continue. Then, enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Review the details to ensure everything is correct, and tap Send. You'll be asked to review your transaction details, including the amount and the recipient's information, before confirming the transfer. Once you've reviewed the details, tap Send again, and you'll be taken to a page that requires you to check a box indicating you've read and understood the information. After tapping Send one last time, the transfer will be initiated, and you'll see a confirmation message. That's the basic process for sending money using Zelle on TD Bank.